I was born on the other side, where oceans rise and stars collide. Never knew that across the sea there was someone being made for me.
I walked my path, I said my prayers, not knowing love was growing there. A boy far with heaven's spark would one day come and claim my heart.
Two lives, two lands, two different songs, but God's great plan was never wrong. One flesh, one heart, what God joined won't fall apart. Through every storm, through every star, He made us one flesh, one heart. To prayers I cried, the missing half I could not find. And when our hands first intertwined, He whispered, "This one's truly mine."
You lead with love and walk with grace, and even distance had no place to keep two souls from heaven born together, strong through love reborn.
Not chance, not fate, but God above, who wrote our names in chords of love. One flesh, one heart, what God joined won't fall apart. Through joy and fire, through near and far, He made us one flesh, one heart. Shores we cross the tide, drawn not by chance